morning, ladies. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sharde, and this YouTube channel is all about helping you enhance your health and beauty. Today I am going to create an herbal smoothie for clear and glowing skin. I used to suffer from hyperpigmentation big time, and since I've been putting this herb and a lot of nutrients in my smoothie, I'm noticing a big change. So I'm going to show you ladies what I'm using. Let's get started. So the first ingredient that you want to use is almond milk. I like to use this because it's high in vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin B12. So I'm going to take my plant-based milk and pour about 8 ounces. Anytime you go beyond 8 ounces of milk, your smoothie is going to be very watery, and I like for my smoothie to be a little thick. So you want to start off with about 8 ounces of plant-based milk, and I got this from Whole Foods. Okay. And then I am going to use a tablespoon of sea moss gel. If you haven't checked out my live tutorial on sea moss gel, go check it out. Sea moss is high in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. And you want a supplement that's high in nutrients because it's going to give your skin the nutrition that it needs. The third ingredient is chia seeds. Chia seeds contains omega-3s and is great for fiber as well. So I like to add this to my smoothie. Okay, I'm actually going to use a fourth of a teaspoon. Not a lot. Okay, and then I am going to use one of my favorite supplements, 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐈𝐍𝐄𝐒𝐿 collagen. If you haven't checked out the video that I created for this product, go and check it out. Collagen is a protein that's found in the skin, and as we get older, the collagen in our skin and in our body starts to deplete. Collagen is actually going to strengthen your skin, and that's why I like to use it in my smoothies. So I'm going to take a half of tablespoon of collagen and put it in my smoothie. Okay. Now here comes the herb. The herb that I'm going to put in my smoothie is burdock root. Burdock root is very good for cleaning your blood. It is also good for expelling waste and toxins. Now, anytime you are cleaning the blood, you allow for not only for your body to absorb these vitamins and these minerals, but also you're removing the waste. And so anything that's in your blood, let me put this up a little bit. Anything that's in your blood is going to show within your hair, your skin, and your nails, because your skin, your hair, and your nails receives its nourishment from your blood. So that's why you want your blood to be clean. If your blood got a lot of waste and toxins in it, then here comes the breakouts, here comes the hyperpigmentation, here comes the scarring. And burdock root is a great herb to help clean your blood. So this is something that I love to use when it comes to glowing skin, because I know my blood is going to be clean. And if you want to know where you can purchase this, you can get it at your local health food store, or you can purchase this online at mountainroseherbs.com. I'm going to put that in the description box. So I'm going to use, let's see, 1/8 of a teaspoon, and this will probably be the same as if you was taking a capsule or something. So I'm going to use this, put it in my smoothie. Now, I don't like to use a lot because this is a bitter herb, but I'm taking it for health benefits, not for taste. So burdock root, do some research on it and just, learn about it as much as you can. But again, if you are utilizing herbs that's going to help clean your blood, detoxify your blood from the heavy metals and from the waste, I promise you will see a big change in your skin. Like, I'll be honest, my skin is not perfect, but I can see a big change. And I haven't been using a lot of quote unquote big time products and expensive products and using expensive skin treatments as well. I've been cleaning up my blood and also healing my hyperpigmentation through nutrition. So that's that. Now the next thing I'm going to use is some chopped kale. Kale is high in vitamins and minerals, and this kale I particularly got from Aldi, and it's good for smoothies and for juicing. So I am going to add some kale to my smoothie. There's a lot. And last but not least, strawberries. Strawberries are high in vitamin C. Also, when it comes to vitamin C is going to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. That's why I love to use vitamin C in my smoothies. I'm going to put a couple of berries. And now it's time to blend. Okay, normally when I'm using strawberries in my smoothie, it has like a red color to it, but because of the burdock root herb, it's more of a brownish color. All right, so there you have it, ladies. Skincare starts with nutrition, and here's my smoothie. I'm about to take this in and relax. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I will see you in the next YouTube video. Bye.